Hello, work life warriors. How are you? Happy Friday. How are you doing today? We're going to start with some good old fashioned laughter. We're just going to laugh. We're going to take in as much air as we can and have a good, deep belly laugh. Ready? Go. Very good, very good. Yay! The next laughter yoga exercise we're going to do is we're going to make some weird eye contact and laugh in between each weird eye contact. Ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay! The next one we're going to do is a serious I do not like it face. So we're going to keep our face as still as possible. Like you don't like something, or you can make a face of I don't like something, and then we're going to break out into laughter. Ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay! The next one we're going to do is tiny measures. So you can use a space in front of you. You can use your arm. You can use the length of your body. But what we're going to do is start with a tiny measurement, and we're going to get bigger and bigger and bigger as we laugh. Are you ready? Go. Very good, very good. Yay! The next one we're going to do today is kind of like a laughter meditation. So what we're going to do is send laughter to each part of our body. It's so important to feel what part of your body or what your each part of your body feels like when you send laughter to it, when you send joy, happiness, and you are intentional about what you're doing. So we're going to send laughs to each one of our body parts. The ones that you don't feel so good about, feel free to laugh a little bit more. The ones that you love, feel free to Embrace as you laugh. But remember, laughter is a way to take power and to give power. So let's utilize it in a positive way. All right, you ready? Now let's send laughter to and as you go to this body part, try to wiggle it if you can. Ready? Let's send laughter to our toes, to our heels, to our ankles, to our shins, to our calves, to our thighs, to our buttocks, to our pelvis, to our lower back, to our lower abdomen, to our middle back, chest, upper back, upper chest, fingertips, hands, wrists, forearms, upper arms, neck, chin, cheeks, forehead, top of the head, very good, very good. Yay! So let's end our laughter yoga session today with a little rhythmic clapping. So what we're going to do is ho ho ha ha our way out of here. Join me when you're ready, and we'll speed up as we chant. Ready? Go. Ho ho ha ha ha. 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 Ho ho 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 ha ha. Very good. Very good. Yay! Very good, work life warriors. How do you feel?